Hello guys, and welcome to this awesome video where I'm going to be showing you how to turn your pictures into Disney like characters. So all you need is to go to this awesome new website I found called deepfakemaker.io, and while it's looking basic, this particular website can actually do a whole lot for you. So all you have to do is to click on this other area here, and then once you scroll you would see AI Disney. Scroll down and you will see um an area where you get to actually upload your image here. Once you've uploaded it, you would see this other section here where you can actually describe your image here. So once you've described it, just hit, this is the image ratio, select the image ratio you want and then hit generate, and within a few seconds you have your image generated like this. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe as we're actively trying to grow this channel. Thank you very much, and